Hi everyone, my name is Ashish from 2510 and this is part 2 of my HTML tutorial. From part 1, we have learned basic elements such as head, HTML, doc type HTML, H1, H2, P, unordered lists, and also page breaking and visual separators. In part 2, we'll be learning other elements. For example, you might be wondering what is IMG. IMG tag is used to embed images in a web page. It requires two essential attributes: the source, which is src, and the alternative text, which is alt. The source attribute specifies the URL or the file path to the image. The alternate text or attribute provides text that describes the image in case the image cannot be displayed. For example, let's see we change this webdesign.jpg source to a PNG. It show the alternative text. We have learned all of this. Now move on to the section thematic grouping. Sections actually a thematic grouping of content, typically with a heading. This is normally called as a semantic element. In this case, the heading of this section is overview, and it gives you a unordered list of the different types of programming languages to be learning. Then you may be wondering, what is strong? Strong actually produces a bold text display. As you can see over here, it's bolded. You can also use a B in place of strong. However, B does not carry any semantic meaning on its own, so the browser and the developer would not know the actual meaning of B, whereas strong has an actual meaning. EM produces a italicized text display as shown over here. You can also use I in place of this, but I also does not inherently carry any semantic meaning. EM, on the other hand, stands for emphasis, which is used to emphasize the emotional tone of a statement or highlight a specific word or phrase. BR stands for line break. It's a self-closing tag which is used to create a new line within text or other inline content. Then you may be wondering, what is end quote? End quote actually is used to add quotation marks. There are also other forms of using special characters in HTML. For example, we could use and AMP. This actually adds the and sign. You can also do and LT, which stands for lesser than, and also and GT, which stands for greater than. These are all different types of special characters that you can use in HTML. Here is the ordered list. This OL tag is used to create an ordered and numbered list in a web page. Each list item is defined using the li tag inside the OL container. So basically the difference between an unordered list and an ordered list is that the ordered list is numbered, whereas the unordered list is just in a bullet point format. Then the footer here actually usually contains copyright information, site rep, back to top links, or contact information. I believe that's all for our second HTML document. I basically taught like the different types of special elements, special signs, and also like different types of lists, and also how to bold and italicize your words. Lastly, I also taught like how to whether organize by adding sections, by adding footers, and also how to break. Thank you.